I, the Lord your God, speak to you this day. Peace, my peace, is not as the world gives. The world builds its peace on circumstances, but I build mine upon my presence. When the earth trembles and hearts faint with fear, my peace remains unbroken, for it flows from who I am, not from what happens around you. I am the source of calm and chaos, the stillness within the storm, the whisper that commands the wind to rest. My peace cannot be shaken by the roar of nations or the storms of men, for I am the Eternal One, whose throne is unmovable and whose word endures forever. You have searched for peace in possessions, in people, in comfort, and in control. Yet all these fade like mist before the morning sun. Only when your soul anchors in me will you taste the stillness that does not pass away. Come before me, my child. Lay down the burdens that war within you. You carry weights I never asked you to bear. You strive to control what only I can command. Surrender them to me, and I will breathe peace upon the storm in your soul. Do you not know? My peace begins in surrender. As long as you fight for your own strength, peace will hide from you. But when you rest in my hands and trust my plan, peace will wrap you like a garment of light. I, the Lord your God, declare, peace is the language of my presence. Where I dwell, anxiety cannot reign. When I enter a heart, fear must flee. Therefore invite me in, and I will dwell with you and cover you with my calm. There are voices around you, loud, demanding, distracting. They pull your heart in many directions. But there is one voice that brings life, one voice that steadies the soul, my voice. Listen to it, and peace will grow like a river that no drought can dry. When you walk through the fire, my peace will not burn away. When the flood rises, my peace will not drown. For I, the Lord, go with you. The storms that rage around you are but shadows before the light of my presence. Lift up your eyes, my beloved. Do not gaze upon the chaos, but upon me. I am greater than what troubles you. I am not far away. I am near, closer than your breath. And my peace flows even now into the weary places of your soul. You ask, Lord, how can I have peace when everything breaks around me? I answer, by knowing that I do not break. My promises stand unshaken. My word never fails. When your faith anchors to what is eternal, you will stand still while the world shakes. Be still and know that I am God. These words are not gentle suggestion, but divine command, for in stillness you will find me. And in finding me, you will discover peace beyond reason. I am the same yesterday, today, and forever. The peace I gave to my servants of old, I now give to you. The peace that stilled Daniel in the lion's den, the peace that strengthened David before Goliath, the peace that covered my son as he faced the cross. That peace is yours through me. Therefore, fear not what man can do, nor what tomorrow holds. I hold tomorrow. I form the day before it dawns. My hand writes your story with mercy and finishes it with glory. Let my peace be your weapon and your rest. For the enemy cannot enter a soul at rest in me. He thrives on unrest, on fear, on confusion. But when you stand still in my presence, he trembles. For my peace is the shield that surrounds my people. So come to me, my child. In your prayers, do not rush. In your worship, do not strive. Sit before me and listen. I will speak peace into your thoughts. I will calm the noise within. My spirit will breathe rest into your heart. For I have not called you to live in constant worry, but to walk in the assurance of my care. When I am your shepherd, peace follows you like a shadow that never departs. The valley may be dark, but my rod and staff comfort you. Trust me, I am faithful. I am peace itself. I, the Lord your God, speak again to you, my beloved. Do not let your heart be troubled. Do not let fear reign within you. I have placed within you a fortress stronger than your enemies. It is called my peace. You have looked at peace as a feeling, but I say to you, peace is a power, a force of my spirit that stands like a guard over your mind and heart. When I breathe peace into you, it does not come as emotion, but as authority. It commands the storm, it silences confusion, it breaks the voice of fear. For when I said, Peace, be still. The wind and the waves obeyed me. So too, when I speak peace into your life, every storm within must bow before my word. Do you not yet understand? My peace is not passive. It is mighty. It carries the weight of heaven. It is the sound of my throne echoing through your soul. The peace I give is not fragile like glass. It is strong as the rock that I am. There are times when you will not feel peace, yet peace is with you still. Because my peace is not a product of feeling, it is a covenant. When I said, I will never leave you nor forsake you, I sealed that promise with peace. You may walk through fire, but the fire will not consume you. You may stand in storms, but peace will hold you upright. Listen to me, my child. Every time you choose to trust me instead of your fear, my peace grows deeper in you. Every time you refuse to speak words of worry, but instead lift your praise to me, my peace rises like morning light within your heart. Peace does not grow in the absence of trouble. It grows in the presence of faith. I see when you cry in silence. I see when your mind battles between trust and fear. Yet even then, I am near, whispering, be still. I am with you. You may not always hear my whisper, but it carries power. For every word I speak is living and active. My peace will do what you cannot do. It will calm what you cannot calm, and heal what you cannot heal. Do not look for peace in what changes. Look for peace in the one who never changes. The world's peace depends on order, but my peace creates order. The world's peace depends on quiet, but my peace silences the noise. When you are surrounded by chaos, lift your eyes. See me enthroned above it all. I am not shaken by what shakes the world. I am your refuge, your still place, your holy rest. Many seek peace through escape. They run, they hide, they build walls to keep out pain. But I tell you, my peace is not found in running from the storm. It is found in walking with me through it. For when you walk with me, even the fire becomes a light, even the storm becomes a song. My peace does not remove trials, but it transforms how you face them. It gives you eyes to see my purpose in the pain. It gives you strength to wait when the answer delays. Therefore, do not despise the waiting. The waiting is not empty, it is sacred. In the silence of waiting, my peace is growing roots within you. You may not see them, but they will hold you firm when the winds of life arise. Let not your mind be filled with the noise of what-ifs. Let it be filled with my promises. For what I have spoken will not fail. You say, Lord, I am afraid. And I say to you, my peace is greater than your fear. You say, Lord, I am weary. And I say, my peace will be your rest. You say, Lord, I cannot go on. And I answer, my peace will carry you where your strength ends. Do not measure my peace by what you see around you. Measure it by my presence within you. For my spirit lives in you, and where my spirit is, there is peace that no darkness can extinguish. When the world grows darker, my light grows brighter. When nations shake, my peace shall mark my people. For I will raise a generation who walk in calm while others tremble, those who will carry my peace like a flame in the wind. You, my child, are called to be that light. You are not meant to echo the world's fear, but to reflect my peace. When others panic, you will stand still. When others despair, you will hope. When others curse, you will bless. The world will ask, how can this one stand unshaken? And you will answer, because my God is my peace. So, guard your heart, for it is the wellspring of peace. Do not allow bitterness, anger, or doubt to steal the stillness I have planted in you. Feed your peace through my word. Let your heart feast on my truth. The more you fill yourself with my word, the less room there is for worry. Let every sunrise remind you, my mercy renews your peace each morning. Let every sunset remind you, my faithfulness keeps your peace through the night. I am your peace, eternal, unchanging, sovereign, and no one, nothing, can take from you what I have freely given. Be strong, be still, and rest in me. For I, the Lord your God, am your peace forever.